Problem number 20, page number E18, chapter is unit cost or output cost. On 30th April 1981, a manufacturer was required to quote contract for the supply of 1000 electric stoves. From the following data, prepare a statement showing the price to be quoted to give the same percentage net profit on turnover as was realized during the 6 months to 31st March 1981. Stock of materials 01-10-1980 means opening stock of materials equals to 35,000. Stock of materials on 31st-10-1981 means closing stock of material 4,900. Purchase of materials 6 months to 31st March 1981 means total purchases equals to 52,500. Factory wages on 31st March 1981, which means direct wages 95,000. Factory expenses, these are comes under factory overheads, so equals to 17,500. Establishment expenses means office and administration expenses 10,000. Next, completed stock in hand 01-10-1980 equals to nil means opening stock of finished goods equals to nil. Completed stock in hand 31st March 1981 means closing stock of finished goods equals to 35,000. Sales equals to 1,89,000. The number of stoves manufactured during the 6 months was 4,000, including those sold and those in stock at the close of the period. So total production equals to 4,000 stoves. The stoves to be quoted for a uniform quality and similar to those manufactured during the 6 months 31st March 1981. As from 01/04/1981, the cost of factory labor had increased by the 10%, which means new labor cost is increased by 10%, and material cost is also increased by 15%. So we have to calculate two cost sheets, one cost sheet for 4,000 stoves and another cost sheet for new quotation 1000 stoves. Okay, right. Cost sheet for preparation of 4,000 stoves. Cost sheets for preparation of 4,000 stoves. Direct materials. Direct materials 82,600. 82,600 kaisa the direct materials principle we know. What is the principle for calculation of direct material? Direct materials equals to opening stock of materials plus purchases of materials minus closing stock of material. So opening stock of material कितना है? Opening stock of material, opening stock 35,000 plus purchases 52,500 minus closing stock 4,900. So total direct materials equals to 35,000 plus 52,500 plus minus 4,900 equals to 82,600. Right, 82,600. So direct materials equals to 82,600. Next, direct labor. Direct labor already we have in our textbook 95,000. Other direct expenses equals to nil. So prime cost means direct material, direct labor plus direct expenses equals to 1,77,600. 82,600 plus 95,000 equals to 1,77,600. Next, factory overheads, factory expenses, factory expenses. कितना फैक्ट्री एक्सपेंसेस ऑलरेडी वी नो 17,500. So 1,77,600 prime cost plus factory expenses 17,500 equals to 1,95,100. This is called as factory cost or work cost. Next item is office and administration overheads. Here we have one establishment expenses in this category. So establishment expenses equals to 10,000. So factory cost 1,95,100 plus establishment expenses 10,000, total equals to 2,05,000, 2,05,100. This is called as cost of production. Cost of production equals to 2,05,100. Next, add finished opening finished goods. So we do not have opening finished goods, so the balance is nil. So total amount is remains same, 2,05,100. Less closing finished goods. Closing finished goods कितना है? Closing finished goods 35,000 we have in our textbook. So 2,05,000 plus minus 35,000 equals to 1,70,100. Cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold is equal to 1,70,100. Sales already we have कितना 1,89,000 in our textbook. So sales minus COGS, sales equals to 1,89,000, COGS equals to 1,70,100. So profit sales minus COGS 1,89,000 minus 1,70,100 equals to 18,900. So profit here we got 18,900 for the purpose of 4,000 stoves. Next, calculation for the purpose of 1,000 stoves, new quotation. Calculation of materials for production of 1,000 stoves. Calculation of materials production of 1,000 stoves. Materials for 4,000 stoves 82,600. As per previous information, 4,000 stoves we have direct material, we use direct materials 82,600. For 1,000 stoves, how much? 1,000 by 4,000 multiplies 82,600 equals to 20,650. And also we have 10% increased material charges that is given in our textbook. So new material charges for the purpose of production of 1,000 units equals to equals to 20,650 plus 10%, 20,650 plus 3,098. So total material cost for the purpose of production of 1,000 units equals to 23,748. Next, direct labor. For direct labor for 4,000 stoves 95,000. For 1,000 stoves, how much? So for 1,000 by 4,000 multiplies 95,000 equals to 23,750. Direct labor equals to 23,750 for the purpose of production of 1,000 stoves plus 10% increased charges. 23,750 plus 10% increased charges. 23,750 plus 2,370. 10% equals to 2,375. So total labor, direct labor cost equals to 26,125. Next, establishment expenses or factory expenses. Factory expenses were Factory expenses for 4,000 stoves. Total factory expenses are 17,500. Already given in our textbook. So for the purpose of production of 1,000 stoves, how much? 1,000 stoves, how much? So 1000 by 4000 multiplies 17,500 equals to 4,375. So new factory expenses for the purpose of production of 1000 units, 4,375. Next, establishment expenses for the purpose of production of 1000 units. Establishment expenses for 4,000 units, establishment expenses are 10,000 rupees. For the purpose of 1000 units production, kitna? So 1000 by 4000 multiplies 10,000 equals to 2,500. 1000 by 4000 multiplies 10,000 equals to 2,500. Right. So new cost sheet for the purpose of production of 1000 stoves. Direct material, already we have calculated direct materials, we got 23,748. Direct wages we got 26,125. Other direct expenses nil. So total prime cost for the purpose of production of 1000 units equals to 49,873. 23,748 plus 26,125 equals to 49,873. So prime cost. Next, add factory overheads. Factory expenses already we calculated, that is 4,375. So prime cost plus factory expenses equals to factory cost. Factory cost equals to 54,248. Next, office and administration overheads. Here we have establishment expenses from these categories. So establishment expenses for the purpose of production of 1000 units, we got 2,500 rupees. So 54,248 plus 2,500 equals to 56,748. So total cost of production or COGS equals to 56,748. Next, calculation of profit for the purpose of production of 1000 stoves. For COGS of 1,70,100, profit is 18,900. So COGS of 4,000 stoves. COGS of 4,000 stoves equals to 1,70,100. Then the profit we got 18,900. 18,900. So what is the profit for COGS of 56,748, which means for the production of 1000 units, what is the total profit? So 56,748 by 1,70,100 multiplies 18,900, the profit, old profit. So new profit for the purpose of production of 1000 units or 1000 stoves equals to 6,305. 6,305. So cost of production 56,748, profit 6,305 equals to sales 63,053. COGS plus profit equals to sales 63,053.